So the building we are in, Kelly Hall, opened in 2009. It was originally called the ICTAS building to house ICTAS, or the Institute for Critical Technology and Applied Science. This institute supports and promotes cutting-edge research at the intersection of engineering, science, and medicine. So now Kelly Hall houses several offices and research laboratories for the Department of Biomedical Engineering and Mechanics. We affectionately refer to us as BEAM. It is also the main location for the Helmet Lab, directed by BEAM faculty member Dr. Stefan Duma, who is also the director of ICTAS. In this building, undergraduate students, graduate students, postdoctoral associates, and faculty engage in all manner of transformational research. Some examples. Dr. Eli Laslavovich directs the Therapeutic Ultrasound and Non-Invasive Therapies Laboratory. The Non-Invasive Therapies Laboratory investigates the physical mechanisms with which ultrasound interacts with tissue in order to develop non-invasive therapies for specific clinical applications. They've seen tremendous success in non-invasive tissue ablation, acoustically active biomaterials, biomedical technologies for conservation applications, among many others. We also have the Bioelectromechanical Systems Laboratory, directed by Dr. Rafael Davalos. That is a cross-disciplinary effort that combines engineering, science, from the nano to the macro level. They've developed technology for tissue viability detection, picoliter sample management, and imaging for molecular medicine. The Orthopedic Mechanobiology Laboratory is directed by Dr. Vincent Wong. This group seeks to improve the diagnosis and treatment of skeletal soft tissues through translational research studies. For example, Dr. Wong and his students are developing and applying non-invasive imaging techniques and machine learning for the quantitative assessment of tissue integrity. This is particularly useful for such injuries as tendinopathy and reproductive biomechanics. Dr. Pam Vandevoorde leads the Traumatic Nerve Technologies Lab for the prevention, identification, and treatment of nervous tissue injuries. Their work focuses on the various aspects of brain trauma due to blast overpressure from the subcellular to the tissue levels. Norris Hall is the location of many other BEAM faculty offices and laboratories, as well as a suite of administrative offices. It also houses several of BEAM's teaching laboratories. Some examples of our faculty research labs in Norris Hall. Dr. Dave Dillard's laboratory focuses on the field of adhesive bonding. His research develops test methods and predictive models to understand and estimate the performance and durability of polymeric materials, adhesive and bonded joints that are influential in sustainable energy products, including fuel cells and solar photovoltaic applications. Dr. Ramesh Batra is a university distinguished professor in BEAM who is recognized internationally for his theoretical, analytical, and computational analyses in solid mechanics. The Granada Biomechanics Laboratory, directed by Dr. Robin Queen, has extensive capabilities to evaluate whole body mechanics. Her lab's research has been investigating knee and ankle function during rehabilitation from ligament injury with assistive bracing or with a joint replacement. Dr. Jake Soha's lab investigates organismal biomechanics and bio-inspired engineering. He has received national attention for the aerodynamics of flying snakes. His laboratory also investigates active respiration and circulation in insects, frogs leaping and skittering on water. Dr. Ann Staples' laboratory for fluid dynamics in nature investigates advanced computational methods, including machine learning and experimental validation for fluid flows, applied to such as insect respiratory flow at the microscale, to human cardiovascular flows, to planetary atmospheric flows at the scale of tens of kilometers.
Welcome to Collegiate Square. This is where our seniors in the BEAM department get to practice their senior design projects. So we house several teams over here that collaborate with both faculty, mentors, and industry-sponsored projects to take all that knowledge they've been learning in the classroom and apply it to real-life situations and design problems. So we have a number of different capabilities in this space that the students get access to, including where I'm standing right now is a collaboration space, so they can reach out to mentors that might be off campus and run design reviews and things like that for their projects. There's also areas down the hall here where teams can meet and work at workbenches on building our prototypes. In terms of some of the capabilities that we have over here in the space, we have a number of different software programs, including CAD, finite element modeling. A lot of our senior design projects will have a simulation aspect to them, so the students are able to dive into that using those facilities over here. And we also have a lot of rapid prototyping capabilities, including 3D printing with both FDM and SLS, laser cutters, and injection molding capabilities. So it's a really neat opportunity to get a hands-on experience in their engineering design projects.